From the home screen, you want to go to the grey cog settings button, wherever that may be for you. To get to the guided access settings, you can either scroll down to the accessibility menu on settings. All the way at the bottom under general, you have guided access. Once you have switched that on, you will need to set either a passcode or link it to your fingerprint. So let's just set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any 6-digit code of your choosing. Once that's been set, you can start off straight away. So it works with any application on the iPad. So let's select a random one. Once you're on the app, you just want to triple click the home button in quick succession. So 1, 2, 3, and it will start. You can, if you like, press triple click the home button again, type in your passcode, and instead of clicking end, you want to go to options. This allows you to disable buttons, motion, any keyboards. You can even disable touch in general. So if you press that, it won't let them touch it. If you want to show them video, you can set time limits, and what's that? So under guided access, if you want to leave it, they can't exit through the home button, they can't change the volume, they can't put it to sleep. If you want to exit this, it's triple click again, type in your passcode, and at the top left press end. And that's it.